Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, our topic is transconductance calculation of a transistor. Come to the definition of the transconductance. It is a change in the output current with respect to the input voltage. So, for a transistor, the transconductance is defined as Gm is equal to change in the IC with respect to change in the VBE by making the VCE is equal to constant. So in order to prove this one, we are going to be considering a PNP transistor where the VBE is the applied input voltage, IC is the output current, and now to find the corresponding values over here, we are going to write Gm. We know Gm is the change in the IC with respect to change in the VBE dash E. The applied voltage is the VB dash E with respect to the VCE. As per the transistor current equation, IC is equal to IC naught minus alpha IE for a PNP transistor. Then here if you observe, IC is the collector current, IC naught is the leakage current, IE is the emitter current, alpha is the current amplification factor of the common base. Now in order to prove the transconductance, perform differentiation on the both the side with respect to the VB dash E. So Gm is nothing but change in the IC with respect to change in the VB dash E. Here the IC naught is the leakage current, and the only differentiation is get carried in the over IE. So change in the VB dash E here. If you observe the VB dash E itself equal to VE, so we can further modify this equation as minus alpha into change in the IE by change in the VE. So we can simply represent that Gm equal to alpha IE by change in the alpha IE by change in the VE. Now let's consider this the equation number 3. In order to solve further, let us consider a diode current equation. We know I is equal to Is into e power of V by eta Vt minus 1, where V is the applied voltage, eta is depending on the diffusion coefficient, and Vt is the thermal equivalent voltage. So we are adapting the same to the corresponding transistor. Then the emitter current IE equal to I naught saturation current into e power of applied voltage is the VE into, I am considering the eta equal to 1, so Vt minus 1. Here if you observe, exponential quantity is more than the 1 over here, as exponential quantity is increasing function, then we can represent this as IE equal to I naught e power of VE by Vt. Now differentiation on the both the side with respect to the VE. change in the IE with respect to change in the VE equal to I naught e power of VE by VT into 1 by VT. Now we further written this as, we know I naught e power of VE by VT is IE by VT. Now consider this the equation number 4. Now replace or substitute equation number 4 in equation number 3. Substitute equation number 4 in 3. Then we get the value of GM equal to alpha IE by VT. Let's consider equation number 5. From the equation 2 itself, we know IC is equal to minus alpha IE plus IC naught. Now, if we replace the minus alpha IE over here, then we can write this one as IC naught minus IC is equal to alpha IE. Let's consider is equation number 6. Substitute 6 in 5. We get GM equal to IC naught minus IC by VT. And further modifying this one, we represent this as minus IC by VT is nothing but the GM transconductance for a PNP transistor. And now we can consider that for the NPN transistor, the same is going to be this for the PNP transistor, whereas for the NPN transistor, the same GM is going to be the IC by VT. So that in a generic form, we write the transconductance GM as IC by VT, but we are taking the mod to the IC in order to, means the value of the IC is going to be negative or positive based on the corresponding type of the transistor. So this is the your corresponding equation for the transconductance. Now here if you observe, IC is the collector current, VT is the thermal equivalent voltage, the value of VT is T by 11600, where T is the temperature in degree Kelvin. So at room temperature, GM is equal to IC by 26 millivolts. I hope you understand the concept. Thank you. We meet with another concept on the resistive calculations of the H parameters. Thank you.